Hi, I'm meteorologist Tony Petracca with your beach and boating forecast for both Wednesday and Thursday. We'll start with wind, and what we're looking at here are sustained wind in miles per hour, and you can, of course, see the wind vectors as well. And generally, next couple of days, it's a southwest breeze. Let's start things off here Wednesday morning around sunrise. Southwest, it got a south-southwest at about 5 to 10. Here we are at 10 o'clock in the morning. Nothing overly strong here. Picking up a bit in the afternoon, the south-southwest. Mainly south, though, at 10 to 15. And here we are Wednesday evening at 6 o'clock on a general southerly breeze at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Move ahead now to Thursday morning early at about 8 a.m. More of a southwest component here, generally 5 to 10. Move ahead to Thursday afternoon at 2 o'clock, picking up around 10 to 15. And then here we are Thursday evening at around 7, 8 o'clock. Still in that southwest 10 to 15 range. All right, bay forecast for your Wednesday. Looking at hazy sunshine, southwest wind turning south at 5 to 15. Waves generally 1 to 2 feet, visibility unlimited. High tide down at Newport Harbor at just before 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Low tide at around 9:30 in the morning. Beach is not bad. Sunshine, dry. Air temperature around 72. More of a filtered, kind of a milky, hazy sun. Reason why there'll be some wildfire smoke from Canadian wildfires, not near the ground, but like way up in the upper part of the atmosphere, cause the sunshine to be a little hazy, a little opaque, but otherwise okay. Thursday's a hot and humid day. Hazy sunshine, humidity much higher. Southwest winds 5 to 15, maybe gusting 20 knots at times. Waves running 1 to 2 feet. Visibility generally 3 to 5 miles. In some haze, there'll be a lot of humidity in the air on Thursday, really feeling like a summer day. Of course, speaking of summer, looking at these late sunsets now, coming in at around 8:16. Beaches on Thursday, same situation, hazy sun, warm, humid. Air temperature in the upper 70s. Looking at surf running at about 2 to 3 feet with a high tide at around 4:30 in the afternoon.